Hello Year 4, how are you today? It's Miss Bellis here. I hope you are well, and today we're going to be carrying on with our maths topic on money. So here is the in focus. We have a 5p coin here, and it asks who has written the amount correctly. I've got Ravi, Holly, and Charles have had a go at writing this, but who is correct? What do we know about 5 pennies? How many pennies are there in £1? We know that 10p is a tenth of a pound, so what would 1 penny be? Here we can see that there are 10 1p in 10p. We know that 10 lots of 10p make a pound. As Amira shows us, there are 100 pennies in a pound, so we can see that 1 penny is 100th of £1. So how can we write this as decimal? That's right, we have a 1 in the hundredths column, 0.01. So how about 5p? There are 5 pennies in 5p, so there are 5 hundredths. And so here we can see 5p is written as 0.05, the 5 in the hundredths column. But here we have 0.50. How much does this say? If we look at the number, there is a 5 here, but it's in the tenths place. 5 tenths. We know that 10p is a tenth, so 50p is 5 tenths. So if we return to our in focus, we can see that Ravi wrote 50p. His 5 is in the tenths column. Holly wrote £5. Her 5 is in the ones column, and also it's this side of the decimal, so we know that's in pounds. And so it was Charles who wrote the amount correctly, with the 5 in the hundredths column. Let's have a look at this. It asks us to write the amount shown in pounds and pence. We have a £2 coin, 20p, 10p, 5p, and a penny. Have the children written the amounts correctly? How do we know? Looks like Charles has written 20p correctly. 20 is made of 2 tens, that's 2 tenths. Lulu here has written 10p correctly, the 1 in the tenths column. Ruby, as we've just seen, has written 5p correctly because it's in the hundredths column, 0.05. And Sam has shown that 1 penny is 100th of a pound and it's in the hundredths column. So what should we do to find the total? That's right, we're going to have to add them up. So we have £2, and then 20 plus 10 is 30, 5 plus 1 is 6, so 36p. £2 and 36p. And here it is, written as a decimal. So here is the guided practice. And in question 1, we are writing the amount of money in pounds and pence. And you can see in question 2, we are matching the amounts that are equal. But this time, we have the price tags down here. And you have to match up the items to the correct price tag. So here, the biscuits are £6 and 5p. And you have to decide which is the right price tag. Which does it match up to? So here is the worksheet, very like the guided practice. In question 1, you are writing the amount of money in pounds and pence. And in question 2, you need to match the items to the descriptions. And in question 3, you need to circle the coins that make up the correct amount. So this little pie is 55p, so you have to choose which of these coins you would use to make 55p. And here are your answers for questions 1 and 2. And here are the answers for question 3. Now I've got another challenge for you today. Just like last time, it's up to you if you want to do the challenge or not. But today's challenge says, a girl takes her friend for ice cream. She spends £2.58 on her own ice cream and £3.90 on her friend's. How much does she pay? She pays with a £10 note. How much change should she receive? How much has she got left over? Remember, you need to prove it. Can you think of 3 different ways of proving it? Okay, that's about it from me today. As always, we do love seeing your maths work, so keep on sending it in. I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.